So how many percent for this total up the three elements, right? Okay, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. So total up how many percent? Hmm? Okay, berapa peratus?
100吗？
100, right? Okay, you total up the percentage is 100%. Okay, so remember, if sometimes the question don't give you all the percentage, but you have to know total up it should be 100%. Okay, semuanya mesti 100%. Okay, so in this case, you have to know that if 100%, you can directly change it to gram. Okay, so the mass is equals to the percentage. In other words, this one 6.67%, you just directly change it to 6.67 gram. Okay, then carbon is 40 gram. Okay, and oxygen is 53.33 gram. Is that okay? You assume it is 100 gram total up. Okay, how? So first question, what is the meaning of empirical formula? So we have discussed it previously. So each formula, it shows the simplest ratio on atoms of each elements in a compound. Okay. Number two, okay, can you calculate the empirical formula? Okay. So here, okay, now hydrogen, you have carbon, you have oxygen. Okay. So first, can you get the mass? Okay. Normally we will use the table. We will use the table first. Okay, I'd like you to try this. Okay. So first you list out all the items. This one normally we will follow this one. Okay, first one you can put the hydrogen at here, then carbon you put at the second one, oxygen put at the third one. Okay, it's okay. This sequence doesn't matter. Okay, first you put in the mass. Okay, so everybody you get ready. So carbon, how many gram for carbon? Okay, BB. Can you give us your answer? How many gram? Yeah, BB. And then, okay, Trinity. How about the hydrogen? How many gram? Then oxygen. Yeah, BB. Yeah, louder, please.
40.
Carbon is 40. Yes, 40 gram. Okay, 40 gram. Okay, correct. Okay, Trinity, how about the hydrogen? How many gram?
6.67 gram.
Okay, 6.67 gram. Okay, how about oxygen? Okay, Matthias?
53.33.
Okay, 53.33. Okay, correct. Okay, so next, find the number of mole. You have the mass. How to find the number of mole, class? How to get the number of mole? What is the formula, class? Anyone know? Anyone remember? What is the number of mole? Okay, Faris. Formula to find the number of mole.
Mass over molar mass.
Okay, very good. Mass over molar mass. Huh? Okay, equals to mass. Apa molar. Apa dia boleh hilang? Oh, macam mana? Okay, mass over molar mass. Okay, so molar mass for carbon is, what is the value? Is 12 lor. Okay, molar mass for the hydrogen is 1, the oxygen is 16. Okay, so I'd like you to try to find the number of mole for carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, use your calculator. Okay, 铅笔擦字典。Okay, so have you calculated for carbon? What is the number of mole? Dawi, can you calculate or not? Dawi, 你能算吗？在车里面，回到家了没有？OK， 能算吗？ You want to see the question? OK， 可能电话太小一点。equation 这个不需this one still no need the equation. Mass over molar mass. Oh, mass over molar mass. Okay, so first carbon. Okay, I like to ask Matthias, what is your answer for carbon? Number of mole for carbon?
3.33.
3.33, yeah? Okay, all can get this answer. Semua boleh kan? Okay, for T mass over the molar mass is 12. So you get 3.33. Okay, good. Adrian, how about the hydrogen? What is the number of mole? Adrian?
0.14.
How you get 0.14? 0.14. Can you recalculate? How about Trinity? What is your answer? Mass over molar mass, huh?
$6.67 mole.
Okay, 6.67. No, Adrian, the mass is 6.67. Molar mass for hydrogen is 1. No, is 1. Okay, Adrian. So your answer, the mole should be 6.67. Okay, 可以吗 Adrian?
可以可以。
Okay, good. Now, how about oxygen? Oxygen. Okay. Okay, yes, 3.33. Yeah, okay, that way good. So over the 16, so 3.33. Okay, correct. Okay. So this is the number of mole you get. Okay. So you get the number of mole already. The next step, what should we do, class? We do get the simplest mole ratio. Okay. 6 mole yang terikas. So how do we do? What do we do to get the simplest mole ratio, class? You have 3.33, 6.67, and 3.33. How do we get the simplest ratio? Okay, multiple is multiple is times, right? 各位，乘啊还是除？multiple or divide? 除 is divide divide. Okay, good. Okay, so divide by the smallest number, correct. So now 3.33, 6.67, 3.33. So obviously 3.33 is smaller, right? Okay, so all the more here divide by the smallest number 3.33 here. So all divide by 3.33, yeah? Okay. Jonathan, now we are talking about this page number 7, Okay. Okay, so what is the value you get from here? 3.33 divided by 3.33. So what is the value, class? Yeah?
1.
1, right? Okay. You get 1. Okay, how about this for hydrogen? Can you divide?
2.003.
Okay, 2.003, 2.003. So we can take its exact number. The whole number is 2. Okay, 2.003. Okay, 2. Okay, then this one be the same, right? Be 1. Okay. Okay, not class. So what is the empirical formula, class? Can you type or give your answer, Matthias? What is the empirical formula? Okay. C1 no need to write. C1H2O1. Okay. So we will get is CH2O. Okay, CH2O. Okay. Okay. So class, some extra information here. Okay, let's say after you divide, for example, after you divide by the smallest number, you get 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. Like this, you cannot round to 2. You cannot round to 2. So you have to times 2. Okay, times 2. This means all must times 2. So you get 3. Okay, right? Okay， 你去吃先，吃完了。我还没时间看。Okay. But sometimes if you see like 1.99, okay, this one you can round to 2, or 2.003, you can round to 2. Okay. But you 0.51, you cannot round to 2 lah. Okay, so take note on this. Okay, next. Okay, the relative molecular mass. Okay, this one I would like to ask Jonathan, can you read the question?
The relative molecular mass of the compound P is 180. Calculate the molecular formula of compound P.
Okay. So how to calculate this, class? Yeah. So the formula here is this. Wait. Okay. So given to you, the relative molecular mass is 180. Yeah. So class. So 180 is the total, the exact one, because molecular mass is the total one. So we can use the formula like this. This is the empirical formula you get from here. Okay. CH2O. Okay. This is the empirical formula times N equals to 180. Okay. So this one is a formula. Please remember that. So how do we get the N? So your task now is to find the value of N. Okay. How to get the N? So this one replace in all the AR here. Okay. How to get the AR? Like here. This one. Okay, the molar mass. So can you calculate the value of N? Okay, everybody you calculate now. Okay, so class, what is the value of n you have calculated? So replace in C is 12, H is 1, right? But it has 2. So total up how? O is 16. Okay? Then times n. So what is your value? BB, have you calculated? What is the value of n?
等一下，我算一下。
啊，你没有算 ？OK，好，你算。And how about Trinity? Have you calculated?
是，
嗯
是6吗？
6 Okay, 6. Okay, how about the others? You get any number of what is the value of n you get? Is it 6? Yes, correct. So total up n is 6. Okay. So haven't finished. If you get your n is 6, so what is the molecular formula? So very simple. N you replace in with the 6. So times in. Okay. So after you times in, what is the molecular formula? Okay. So you times in. Okay, how to times in? CH2O, and is 6, right? So times in. So becomes C6. H2 times 6, 12. And O1 times 6, so 6. So this is the molecular formula of P. Any question? Hand on it. Okay, all class. Okay, so now I'd like you to try. Next question. Selangor Sec 2, almost the same. Okay, but I would like you to try. Almost the same, but this time you do it. A you can, because it will be the same, all right? Okay. So you try the B, B1, B2. Okay, yeah. Question number B. Okay, ready you try. Try now. Give you some time to try. Okay, class. B1 done already. Okay, so first one, what is the mass for carbon, hydrogen, oxygen? Okay, this one I would like to ask Jonathan, what is your answer? Jonathan, for these three, carbon, what is the mass? Yeah, on your mic, please.
我不知道。
Why? Okay, you listen. If mass you cannot, then the following one you definitely cannot already, huh? Okay, so you pay attention, please. Okay, how about the others? Okay, who else? Oh, let me see. Okay, Faris, what is the mass for carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen? Okay, carbon first.
48.65.
Okay, 48.65. Hydrogen.
8.11.
Okay, oxygen.
43.24.
Okay, so yeah, so Jonathan, how to get the mass up? Actually, just get from the percentage. Okay, right? So meaning that if here 48.65, meaning that percent, meaning that it has 48.65 gram. Is that okay, Jonathan?
Okay.
Okay, huh? Next, number of mole. Okay, you have the mass already. You have the molar mass. So can you calculate the number of mole? Okay, this one I would like to ask. Cynthia, just now I saw Cynthia, but now left already. Okay. Okay, Adrian, what is the number of mole for carbon?
Uh, 是吗？
Yeah, Adrian? 4? You mentioned it's 4, is it?
不确定。
Next, your mass is 48.65. Molar mass is what? 12. Divide, no? Okay, can you divide? So what is your answer?
是 4。
4, what? Exactly 4? 4.05 lah. Okay, 4. Okay, 4.05. Maybe you take 4.05 lah, huh? Okay. Okay, how about the hydrogens? Hydrogen. Okay, Trinity, what is your answer? Faris said is 8. Take out some 2 decimal places.
1.11.
1.11. How you get 1.11? Mass is 8.11, right?
Yeah.
Molar mass, hydrogen is
1.
1. So divide by 1.
Yeah.
So what is your answer? 那个针那条
8.11.
8.11. Okay, 8.11. 8.11. Correct. Oh. Okay, how about oxygen? Matthias? How about you? Your answer.
2.70.
2.70. Okay. Yes. 2.70. 2.70. Okay. Now, next step. Okay, find the simplest ratio. Okay, simplest ratio. Okay, so we have three number of moles, right? 4.05, 8.11, 2.70. Okay, so how to get the simplest ratio of moles? Okay, shall we reach home already? 到家了吗？ Okay, so what is your answer here? Okay, Willie, are you able to catch up now for this question? Yes, so what is your answer for this carbon? It's 1.5. Okay. Okay, correct. 1.5. Well, we don't divide by times 3 first. Okay. Then how about this? For this hydrogen. You have to divide by the smallest one, all right? 3.003. So you take out the 3, 3. Okay. Then the other one is 1. Okay, correct. It's 1. Okay. Now, class, as I mentioned to you, if this one 1.5, you cannot round to 2. You cannot round. So what should you do? Yeah. Turns to 2. Cannot round to 2. So what should you do? Times 2. Yes, times 2. Just I mentioned to you already. So this one times 2. Okay. You get 3. Yes. Okay, you get 3. Times 2, you get 3. Okay. But here you times 2, meaning that all you have to times 2. Okay. This one also need to times 2. Okay. So meaning that you get 6. Okay. This one you get 2. Okay. So what is the empirical formula? What is the empirical formula? Jonathan, you have 3, you have 6, you have 2. So can you give us what is the empirical formula?
C3H.
Yeah, C3H. Maybe your line not very good. Okay, C3. I think you are able to get it correct. C3H6O2. Okay. Okay, C3H6O2. Okay. Next. Yeah. Relative molecular mass is 148. 148. Okay. Determines the molecular formula of X. So find the N, right? Okay. So have you calculated the N? Okay, Matthias, have you calculated this question? What is your value of N?
2.
2. N you get is 2. Okay, if N is 2, okay, so what is the molecular formula? Okay, so N is 2. So BB, if N is 2, what is the molecular formula?
Mm.
Hmm. What is the,
C6
okay, C6, H,
12
okay, O,
4
okay, 4. Oh, okay, so molecular formula, it should be C6H12O4. Okay, yeah, this is a molecular formula. Okay, our class. So this question, quite popular also. So if exam come out, so you should be able to calculate it correctly, huh? Okay, this question. Yeah, this question. I think we had done it in the bank already today, huh?
Hả?
Yeah, in the bank on last 2 weeks, huh? During the bank. Okay, that question, you can refer back. Okay, next. Let's try one more. Okay, same question, huh? Okay, so I'd like you to try this. Let me see. Oh, okay. Given to you the percentage already, huh? Eh, almost the same, huh? Let me see, 8.143.24. Same question, huh? Correct, huh? Same question. Then it's okay. Okay, then why we try this question? Okay, how to balance the equation? Balance the equation. What is the x? What is the y? What is the z? Okay, make it balance. Make it balance. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? So what is the value of x you get, class? What is the value of X? Okay. We did say X is 4, Y is 3, Z is 1. Okay. So you try now. So here you check here. Here is 2. So FE here got 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, right? 4 FE. So here only 1. So times 4. So X should be 4. Should be 4. Okay. All. Let's check. Let's check. Okay. All here plus all is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Here got 1, another 1. Okay. So also times 2. So it's 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. All is 8. Okay. All is 8. H how many? H 2 times 2 is 4. H is 4. Okay, huh? So how about Z? Z. So H2, what should be Z? So that you get 4. So Z should be plus, what should be Z? So that you can get 4 hydrogen. Z should be 2 lah, right? Okay, 2. 2 times 2, 4. Okay. If here 2, all becomes 2 here, right? Okay. 2. All total up is 8 here. So meaning that you still need 2 all, meaning that you still need 6 oxygen, right? So what should be the one in order to get 6 oxygen? Should be 3 lah, right? Should be 3. Okay, huh? You know? So the score is all the 3 correct is 2 marks. Huh? Okay. 2 correct is 1 mark. 1 correct only or no correct will be 0. Okay. So at least 2 correct, you'll get 1 mark. Huh? Okay, class. Okay, next, state the number of mole for iron. Again, that is required to produce 1 mole of hydrated iron 3 oxide. So iron 3 oxide is here. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one, hydrated iron 3 oxide. Okay, so if 1 mole, this one is 2 moles, right? If now 1 mole, so the questions ask you how many moles of iron? So iron. If 2 mole of hydrated iron 3 oxide, okay, you need X is 4, right? Here X is 4. 2 more here, 4 more here. Let's say now the question asks you, if here is 1, so what is the value of here? So we need 2 to 4 means double. 1 will be 2. Okay, right, 2. So 2 more. Okay, correct. 2 more. Next, okay, what is the relative formula mass for hydrated iron 3 oxide? Iron 3 oxide. So class, iron 3 oxide here is this Fe2O3 dot H2O. So you total up Fe2O3 dot H2O. Okay, so replace in all this here. Can you calculate the relative molecular mass? Use calculator. Can you calculate? Okay, yeah. The last question for tonight's lesson.
Oh.
Potentially equal. Okay, so class, what is your answer? Trinity, what is the answer? Have you calculated?
No, teacher.
You don't know how to calculate or what?
Don't know how to calculate.
Huh?
Don't know how to calculate.
You don't know how to calculate. Okay. Okay. Jonathan, how about you? Have you calculated? Jonathan， 算了吗？
还没找到。
你还没有算好。Okay, Adrian, how about you?
gram
再讲多一次。
一起吧，一起吧。
178 Okay, how about Matthias?
Same.
Same, huh? Okay, 178. Okay, 178. How to get 178? Okay, so those who cannot. Okay, so iron is 56, right? Okay, 56. It has 2, right? Okay, so times 2. Then plus O is 16. It has 3. Okay, here dot, dot. Okay, not times, no, it's still plus. Okay, then H is 1. It has 2. Then plus 16. Okay, so you just total up. So total up, you will get 178. Oh, this one is Fe. This one is O. This one is H. This one is O. Okay, so it's 178. Okay. Okay, so that's all. We stop here tonight. Okay, thanks for your attendance. Okay, we continue again next week. Okay, good night to all of you. Okay, bye bye.